Hinging the door panels together. After the 2-foot section of track is replaced and tightened in place, unfold each panel set and slide it to the center of the opening. Then clamp each panel set together and clamp the 2 door halves together with a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch gap between the 2 door halves. This is 1/2 of a 12 panel door. This is 6 panels. We are on the inside, on the left side, but this would be a called right half. With the panels clamped together, the hinges are pre-drilled and the hinges are at the girt, so install the hinges in the pre-drilled holes. The hinges alternate left hand, right hand down the vertical. If you don't have enough lefts or rights, you can change them. The bottom rear hinge is raised 7 inches so that it will not interfere with the bottom lock. The bottom hinge has a nut plate backer that's installed behind the vertical. Determine the width first, center the door in the opening, and mark the vertical line of the hinge on the column. Determine the height of the hinge. First measure at the trolley panel 2 from bottom of the track to the top of the door should be 1 inch. Then measure from the top of the door to the bottom of the track at the column should be 1 inch and mark the height of the hinge. Temporarily attach 2 hinges to the column and test the door by folding it to make sure there is no bind in panels 1 and 2 as they're folded.